Brandon asked me to talk a little bit about the new efficiency rating standards for 2023. You've probably heard a lot about SEER rating over the years, and now it's been changed for 2023 to SEER 2. There's a lot of technical stuff about it that you probably don't care to hear. I think the important thing is that you just have a good AC guy that will point you in the right direction, and if you're watching this, you probably have one. So the SEER 2 rating is just a much more stringent testing procedures to determine the efficiency of the equipment. Most of it pertains to static pressure. That's air in versus air out of the furnace or the indoor equipment. And that's where a lot of the new testing guidelines come into play. You know, we've been ahead of that curve for 20 years. I mean, we've been adding return air or new vents in the house that pull air back to the system to lessen the static pressure. We've been doing that for a really, really long time. We measure static pressure because we know it's important for efficiency. So, like I said, there's going to be a lot of changes with model numbers and equipment, all manufacturers, everybody's going through the same thing. There's a lot of confusion out there. But if you have more questions, you can just give us a call.